Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a love reading. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe para sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Sagittarius. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Okay, so tingnan natin anong nangyayari sa inyong love life or romantic connection, Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Okay. Sagittarius. Okay. Okay. So, bottom of the deck, influencing your energy, Two of Wands. Okay, so, Sagittarius, you're thinking about your person, nami-miss ninyo, okay? And nag-iisip ka ng mga paraan or how to move forward with your person, okay? For some of you, you are dealing with an ex or not really an ex, pero meron kayong babalikan, Sagittarius. Okay, you want to go back to the person. Yeah. Yeah, nag-iisip kayo paano i-nurture, paano i-grow ang inyong relationship uli, kung paano ka bumalik. Okay? Yeah. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, you want a new beginning with this person. Okay? You're thinking about giving gifts. Okay? Or attention. It's like now, you want to give commitment. Already ka na sa seryoso na relationship. This is for some of you. Seven of Cups. Yeah, you're thinking about options. Ways. No? Gusto mo makasama yung person na to. You're thinking about it. You're dreaming about being together. Okay? That is for some of you, Sagittarius. Yeah, so let's see, ano yung Six of Cups? It seems na yung person ninyo, namimiss kayo. Parang ikaw yung the Hierophant. Okay. Okay, baka yung iba sa inyo, you are committed to this person already and then nagkaroon ng emotional separation. Okay. Parang, yeah, committed na kayo or maybe you are married to this person, Sagittarius. Okay, so the person is missing you also. Naalala niya, parang soulmate kayo. Okay, Six of Cups. Naalala ka niya, Sagittarius. Yeah, King of Cups. Yes. So, yung mga sweet moments nyo, kung paano ka sa kanya or sa family nyo, naalala ng person mo. He or she needs someone like you. Okay, sumusuporta sa kanya, tumutulong sa kanya sa bahay man, or kung may mga emotional needs, nandyan ka, nagsusupport. Okay? Yeah, naalala niya na you are someone that he or she can be dependent on or can rely on. Okay? Or that can rely with. Four of Cups. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, meron kasing disconnection, okay? Or silent treatment na nangyayari. So, your person is thinking about you, iniisip niya, or gusto ka rin niyang bumalik, okay? The Magician, bakit may The Magician? Two of Cups. Gusto rin makipag-ayos sa inyo ng person ninyo. Okay? Gusto niya makipagkita. Gusto niya na suyuin mo siya, Sagittarius. Okay? Na maging consistent ka sa kanya. Okay? Pagbigay ng atensyon. Maaring this person is nag-iisip din ng paraan or naisip niya i-forgive ka or i-accept ka uli sa buhay niya. Yeah. Because merong deception or betrayal na nangyari sa inyong relationship. Okay? Third party, Seven of Swords. Merong pagtatago, hidden information and secrets. The Star. And your person wants to heal things with you. Three of Cups. Bakit may Three of Cups? Yeah, gusto din ng person mo na magkaroon ng kaayusan ng inyong relationship. Okay? Merong healing. And gusto ng person mo na ayusin din kung merong pagkakamali sa part mo, Sagittarius. Gusto niya na merong pagbabago sa part niyo. Meron kayong baguhin sa inyong behavior, sa inyong attitude. Okay? Three of Cups. Judgment. Yeah. Gusto ng person mo na may pagbabago sa inyong relationship. New direction para sa inyong dalawa. Deepening of the relationship. Okay? Yeah, Knight of Swords. Pag-uusap, pagkikita. Okay? Yeah. Reconciliation. Okay? New direction. Okay? So, may healing and then new direction with your person. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, your person wants a new direction sa buhay niya, okay? And he or she is open for new possibilities sa buhay niya, okay? Yeah. Tingnan, but then your person, naalala ka niya, namimiss ka niya, okay? Pero ayaw nyo lang ipakita sa inyo, Sagittarius. Let's see the wheel. Just take what resonates for you, Sagittarius, and leave the rest pag hindi para sa inyo. Okay. The wheel. Three of Cups. And the Eight of Wands. You feel that your person is having fun with friends or open to new people. Okay? New love or, yeah, open to new possibilities. Okay? Yeah. Gusto mong bumalik, Sagittarius, to your person, but then you feel that your person is parang hindi na siya ganon ka-open sa inyo. You feel that he or she is not interested with you and nag-entertain na siya ng ibang prospects. Okay? Or happy na yung person nyo. Okay? Na siya lang and with her friends. Okay? Yeah, you feel that your person is having a good time with other people, with friends. Okay? Same here. Na parang nagkakaroon siya ng bagong buhay, new direction, yung person ninyo. Okay? But you're thinking about them, Sagittarius, you want to go back. Okay? Tingnan natin, Ace of Wands. Bakit may Ace of Wands? Yeah. Ace of Swords. Okay. So, lack of trust in the challenge position. Okay. Parang nawawalan ka ng pag-asa na magkakaroon ng new beginning with your person. Okay. You wanted to express na gusto mo pa yung person na to, gusto mong bumalik. Okay, but then it seems na parang wala kang lakas or kakayahan to say that, to express that. Because you feel that your person is having a new direction sa buhay niya. Okay. But the truth is, your person is missing you. Okay. Page of Cups. Yeah. Parang nahihirapan ka, Sagittarius, to express kung ano yung totoong objective mo in the situation. Okay? Nahihirapan ka to express kung ano yung totoo mong nararamdaman, anong layunin mo sa person mo. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you want to go back with them. Yeah. But then, parang pinapakiramdaman mo pa. Okay. Look at my 5 of Cups. Yeah, regretful. And 5 of Pentacles and 5 of Cups. Okay. There is regret in the situation. Merong disgrace. Maybe for some of you, Sagittarius, meron kayong nagawa. Okay, na disgraceful or hindi maganda, hindi fair sa person ninyo. Okay? And nagre-regret kayo. There will be regrets. And disappointment in the situation. You feel you are left out in the cold. Merong pagsisisi from your end. Okay? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, 10 of Wands. Okay, so nasistress ka din sa situation mo, but then kailangan mong tanggapin. Okay. You feel burdened or you feel imbalance in your situation right now, most especially in your emotions. Okay, yeah, for some of you, nag-iisa kayo. You feel lonely. Yeah. Or you are being treated like a doormat. Okay? Yung parang hindi ka pinapansin. Binabaliwala ka. Okay. And yeah, at the same time, meron din guilt feeling on your part because of the deception na nangyari. So just take what resonates for you. Pwedeng ikaw to or the other person. Kasi minsan baliktad. Depende in your situation. Yan, sandali. May nahulog. Yeah. You are not seeing the positive side of the situation. That's why you feel sad. Okay, you feel hopeless, marrying regrets and disappointments. Maybe you've done something disgraceful kung kaya nangyari to sa inyong person. Pero namimiss ka ng person mo, naalala yung situation, yung mga dati ninyong moments, okay? That you have been parang very supportive ka sa kanya or sa family ninyo. And then, silent treatment, hindi pagkakaintindihan because of some betrayal. Tingnan natin the Judgment. Yeah, 5 of Swords. Okay. So you are conflicted. Okay. Yeah. Parang Sagittarius, you need to move on as well. Okay, emotionally. Don't let yourself down. Okay. Yeah. You need to reflect also. Kung ano yung mga kamalian or wrongdoings na nagawa ninyo, and make the initiative to right the wrong. Okay? Yeah. You need to forgive yourself and the other person as well, or forgive the situation. Okay? Admit kung meron mang ang pagkukulang sa part ninyo. Okay? Just take what resonates. Maybe this is the other person. Okay? So, forgiveness and healing is needed. Okay? Honesty and respect. Not only sa person na yun, but also honesty and respect within yourself. Sagittarius. Okay? Five of Swords. Death. Yeah. New direction as well. Kung ano man yung mga bad habits, okay, or toxic na, or unhealthy na mga patterns sa inyong relationship, or you need to, kailangan mong i-remove yourself from that situation. Okay? Ay kailangan kayong baguhin or ayusin within yourself and then the situation, because you've been longing, or you are longing for a long-term na commitment or long-term na relationship. Okay? But then, now you feel conflicted, parang nawawalan ka ng pag-asa. Okay? So, yeah. May kailangan, mayroong new beginnings for you, Sagittarius. Don't let yourself down, okay? You have to reflect and forgive yourself and forgive others and forgive the situation at the same time. And then move on. Fresh and start, okay, a new start for you. Okay? Make some effort to right the wrongs na nagawa ninyo sa person na to. Okay? And move on at the same time. So, be confident, be bold at the same time. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. There is a promise of new beginning for you. Okay? New direction. Tingnan natin. Hidden truths. Ano yung mga messages? Hidden truths from you or from your person. Either way, for Sagittarius. Hidden truths from you or for your person, Sagittarius. Sagittarius. I wish I had treated you better. Okay? I am becoming a better person. Okay, good. So, hidden truths from your person and from yourself, Sagittarius. I wish I could take back my words. Additional message for Sagittarius. Embrace. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Sagittarius. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!